Are you looking to scale your business, but you just don't know where to get started and you just don't know which tactics to use? Well, there's a deal that's going on right now that's called Digital First, and it helps you with that. It's going to ask you a few questions, and based on that, it's going to give you a suggestion of what tactics you should use. Or the other option is to select from a flow, what would you like to do, and then it'll give you suggestions, which is a really great way to get started, especially if you don't have a lot of experience in business. So let me get started and showing you this deal and how it actually looks and works. So let's go to my desktop. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is George and this is SaaS Master. The deal that I'm going to be talking about is called this one, Digital First, and it's in a lifetime deal. So that means that you pay $59 and it's good for lifetime of the product. Okay, if you guys want to grab that deal, the link will be provided in the description. What does it actually get you for that deal? Let me go down here really quickly to the license tier. And here we go. You get access to license tier 1 for the $59 and you get 5 managed funnels and unlimited tactic recommendations. If you need more managed funnels, then I suggest you jump into license tier 2 or license tier 3. Basically, that's what the deal is about right now. Let me go jump over to my dashboard. Now, what I've done for this is that I've just purchased this deal and I want to go through the journey with you guys. So we're going to find out how it actually works. I haven't done anything and we're going to get started with the welcome on board. So yes, let's go to continue and see what it's going to ask us. Now, like I mentioned before, it's going to ask us a few questions and it's going to give us tactics based on what we need. So our business type, for example, product, service, e-commerce, startup, digital transformation, app. So in my case, I offer service. Product name is video creation, and I want to do business to business, which is what I'm looking for. Personally, if you're looking business to client, well, you would use B2C. Targeted groups, so companies, drivers, mechanics, professionals, etc. In my case, it's companies. Its most important advantage are value proposition, building communities. Let me see, purchase. In my case, I'm going with quality. Might be afraid of customers' pain. So what are they struggling with? So let's see. In my case, it would be not understanding how to use the product, because obviously my videos help out on, well, how the product works, because I do overviews, I do tutorials and reviews. So those kinds. I would like marketing tactics to help me with. So the problem, automation, churn, competitors, conversation, conversion rate could be one of them. More new users. Yeah, I would go with that one. Okay, so there we go. Let's go into the next step. Okay, and channels owned. So in my case, okay, mailbox, website, social media. Yes, I have all of these. Yes, no, I'm not in TikTok yet. I do have it, but I'm not using it. Let's see what else. Price, video call. Okay, we're good to go. Next step. Okay, select any option of revenue characteristics. Online purchases, call center, salesman break. I'll go to this one. Payment frequency. In this case, well, it's just one time, so I'll say lifetime. You know, if they buy the service, well, it's there. Revenue characteristics. Frequent promotions, seasonal promotions, high margin. Let's go next. Okay, so it's saying that my growth tactics are ready. So completed, done. Select tactics based on your goals. So start growing with the best tactics. So this is what it's suggesting me. So icebreaker for tactics, ADA framework, carpet raid, tactics for local shop, chatbot to live chat. Okay, now if I click on this little check mark, what does it do? Now add all tactics, skip and go to the panel. All right. So do I want to skip the step? What do I do next? So bear with me. Remember, we're doing this together. I'm clicking on the check mark. Nothing happens. So I might be doing something wrong. So okay, so I'm adding all of these tactics that they are suggesting. Now, something I see here is that, okay, here we go. One of them is turned off. The idea is that if I click on the checkbox, it should remove it because I don't want to add it to my tactics. So in this case, I was able to remove this, but I'm not able to remove another one, maybe because it's tied to another one. So click on these. No, okay, I could remove that one, but not the rest. So let me turn it back on because this is what it's suggesting. So let's add all these tactics. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, so it's doing me an onboard video for this. You guys check it out so I don't take up your time. So let me check it out really quickly. Okay, so my funnel is just loading and here we go. This is where the magic starts. This is the most important part of Digital First. This is where we're going to find out what we should actually do. Now, these are the tactics that are suggested based on what I chose in the first questions. Now, if I go to, for example, chatbot to live chat, it suggested to me that I should add this. Let me go ahead and open this. I'm going to click on view tactics. So clicking on it won't open it up. Okay, so these are the steps that I should work with, which is step 1, setup tool. And here we go, suggesting live chat. I can go ahead and view this. Let's go check it out. This is a suggestion for the live chat. Obviously, if you have your own, you're going to use that. Set a person, select trigger, analyze. So that's one of the tactic steps. Let's go back. Let me close this. Okay, so I need to go back to my funnel. Funnels, here it is. Okay, so tactics for local shop, carpet raid. So I've never heard of carpet raid, so that might be interesting. So if I find out what it actually does, I'm actually learning alongside of what I should do. So this is what it's about. Carpet raid, we got some hashtags, the budget, difficulty, beginner, segment consideration. The effect, well, it's for reach. Rate the tactic, select the segment, plan your content, set 3x the maximum bid, and there we go. That's a tactic that it's suggesting. So let's go back into all tactics. Go here to my funnel. Here we go. I need to find out how to get back, but here's the funnel again. But this is where we're going to view. Now, if I want to add another tactic to this, I can go ahead and click on the plus button and we're gonna be able to view all the tactics. Now, I can do it by clicking on the plus button or going to tactics on the left, which is the folder. Now, there's a bunch of tactics here that we can check out because they might be something that you wanna work with and it wasn't suggested. So something that might be interesting, for example, boosting your event on Facebook ads. So let me click on this one. There we go. Boosting your event on Facebook ads. So here's the steps for that. It's gonna help you to understand what you should be doing step by step to work with that tactic. Now I can go back into tactics. That's the whole general thing. I can build my own tactic if I want. By clicking on the plus button, I can name this, for example, test, because I'm doing this just for video and I actually typed that wrong. But here it is. I can create my own tactic to later use it, okay? So that's pretty cool that we have that option. In this case, I'll just delete it because I don't want to do that. Let's go back into our tactics. There's a search bar on the top. Let me go back into my funnel. There's the overview for this. I can view the canvas progress, tactics done in funnels, activities done in the funnel, tutorials, frequently asked questions, the help center, the funnel, which you saw already, statement. Here we go. That's what I've done. Let me see if I can edit that. Yes, I can edit it if I need. Recommended tactics. Here's the ones. I can select all of them and the canvases for this. Canvas list, product offers, and over here we have the growth hackers. So it seems like these people are offering the service, and let me see, click on that profile. Logos, cartoons, message. Okay, so we can contact these people and it's showing you what they are special in, okay? But basically, that's about it, Digital First. So what it's going to do is help you look for tactics to implement on your business. And let me finish off by showing you the roadmap of what's going to come next. So this is in progress. This is a roadmap for Digital First. And this is in progress. This is coming soon. And this is what's coming in the future. So just be aware that this is coming later on and it's not implemented yet, but this is coming soon. So that is Digital First. It will depend on your business needs. If you are new to businesses and you have a hard time knowing what to do next, then this could be a good deal for you. For some of us who already are working on all of these steps or most of these steps, you might find this like, hey, I didn't need to know this, so I could skip on it. So that will depend on your needs if you actually need this deal. But there you go. It's $59 for the first plan for the lifetime. If you guys want to grab it, that link will be provided in the description. I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next videos.